Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the most kind, the creator of all the universes, the creator of human beings and all the creatures in all the universes, known or unknown. You are listening to Radio Voice of St. London, and this is the radio which disseminates the pains and sorrows and joys and every fragrance related to Sindh and the Indus Valley civilization. And this is the weekly English radio show of Radio Voice of St. London, which is called Indus Melodies. And Indus Melodies means the melodies which are related to the Indus Valley civilization, the present time Sindh. This is me, Yasir Qazi, the host and the producer of this show, this weekly radio show, saying you all Assalamu Alaikum, Haq Maujood, Barhaq Maujood, Sada Maujood, Sindh Maujood, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show. This is my pleasant responsibility. I'm privileged to have this opportunity to welcome you all to this show. Hi folks, how are you? I hope you are doing good. And I pray, I wish for your prosperous and happy life, and I hope that you had a great week and looking forward towards a pleasant and tremendous weekend, which is starting today, and some of you have started this weekend yesterday. This is Saturday, Chanchar, Hafta, Shanichar or Shamba, Rajab al-Murajjab 14th of Rajab al-Murajjab 1442. What a date! 14 Rajab 1442, 2 14s and 140. And this is February 27th, the second last day of February 27th, 2021, 2021. And this is 15th of Phagun, the last month of the Bakrami calendar, the local calendar, the Sindhi calendar, which is Phagun or Phagun. This is 15th. We are completing half of Phagun or half of Phagun today, and this is 15th of Phagun 2077 as per Bakrami, as per Sindhi calendar. Please match your watches. This is 3:05 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 3:35 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time, 2:05 p.m. as per UAE Standard Time, 6:05 a.m. in the morning as per Eastern Time or UTC-5 or GMT-4. I'm in Washington DC, New York City, Toronto and the areas around these cities, and 10:05 a.m. in the morning. 10:05 in the morning in the United Kingdom. Let me share with you the voices, the names of the voices who would be decorating our today's show, who are the matter of ornament of today's show. Those are Jamaluddin Fakir and their companions. Their song, Muhammad Yusuf, Abida Parveen, Manzoor Sakhirani, Bhagwanti Namani, Rajab Ali, Jatin Udasi, Manjushri Asudani, Humaira Channa, Alan Fakir, Akhlaq Ahmad, Shafi Fakir, Nahid Akhtar, and Suleiman Shah. Some of the voices or songs and items in some of the voices may not be included in today's show because this is the series of the entire show. Let's start with the name of Almighty Allah with this hymn. Actually, this is an expression of thankfulness towards God that whatever you have given us, that is more than enough for me, and billions of thanks to Almighty Allah. The lines say that, O my Almighty Allah, billions of thanks upon us, upon the seekers, upon your creatures, by your side. This is the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, sung by the group of faqirs led by Jamaluddin Fakir and their companions, and this group is called Sung. Let's listen to this melody in the start of the show.
सुखो हूँ दो सो जंहिंजो इश्क अल्लाह सां
Kode Bhala Kareemaja Sense Shukrana, hundreds of expressions of thankfulness towards the Creator by the creatures who are created by Him, and He is one who beholds the authority of all the universes. These were the lines of this hymn, this hamd, written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of this land, Sindh, and sung by Jamaluddin Faqir and their companions. The chorus, which is called Sung, and Sung or Sung means together. And in Sindhi, especially the school of thought of music of the shrine of Hazrat Sachal Sai is considered to be the Sung school of thought, or the sung style of singing, in which around 5 to 10 to 15 to 20, this number of singers sing. That is led by one or two vocalists, but rest of those are there to be the companions while singing the melody of the song. This is to somewhat related to or near to Qawwali, but this is not particularly Qawwali. This is mystic style of singing, Sufi style of singing, particularly known or related or associated with the shrine of Hazrat Sachal Sai, which is near Khairpur. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is Indus Melodies. And this tremendous duet is sung by Abida Parveen and Muhammad Yusuf. This is written by Imdad Hussaini, which says, in this world of greed, in these times of greed, I have been in love with my beloved, and I have committed a great mistake, because people only see your status, your social status, and the wealth you carry. Here we go.
धन दौलत जी हिन दुनिया में प्यार करे मुँह पछतायो धन दौलत जी हिन दुनिया में प्यार करे मुँह पछतायो
प्यार खसे दिलदार सीनो हमें जुदाई जी जलायो
धन दौलत जी न दुनिया में दुनिया से कठी घोरे प्यार के पैसन में थी तोरे सोनता दुनिया से कठी घोरे प्यार के पैसन में थी तोरे तुझे ओरे पंजो गीत आहे परायो
प्यार खसे दिलदार सीनो होए जुदाई जी जलायो
धन दौलत जी न दुनिया में दिल त दफन थी वही धन में ख्वाब सुता किम ख्वाब कफन में
दर्द दुखन का घायल मन में सूरन मुहि जो साहु सुकाया प्यार खसे दिलदार सीनो होए जुदाई जी जलायो
धन दौलत जी न दुनिया में प्यार करे
धन दौलत जी हिन दुनिया में. This was a melody, a duet sung by Abida Parveen and Muhammad Yusuf, which we included in Indus Melodies. Indus Melodies is being aired from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is an experiment of singing a free verse. This is sung by Manzoor Sakhirani. Singing free verse is not a new experiment, but the item which I'm going to air right now, which is the forthcoming item, that was recorded somewhere in 80s. But at least in the voice of Manzoor Sakhirani, that cannot be called or considered to be a successful experiment. But even then, the forthcoming item is one of those, to some extent, the hearable or playable items, which says, while you are going, you waved and you said, you committed that you are leaving forever. But when you left, you realized that you can't live without me. This is Manzoor Sakhirani singing this free verse, which is called Azad Nazm in Sindhi. Let's hear to this, and then you decide that whether it is a successful experiment of singing a free verse in Sindhi or otherwise. Here we go.
पंहिंजो नाज़ुक हथड़ो लोॾे तो त चयो हो, तो त चयो हो, हाणे वञूं था, हाणे वञूं था. पंहिंजो नाज़ुक हथड़ो लोॾे तो त चयो हो, तो त चयो हो, हाणे वञूं था, हाणे वञूं था. बाख फुटिय जो मुखड़ी मुर्की, मुखड़ी ते पो माक फुड़ा पिया नाज़ुक नाज़ुक पनड़ियुनि ते ज़ाहिर थिया अंदर जा उधमा. मोती रुखसारन तां फिरंदा फिरंदा हेठ किरिया, ऐं ॿई मिटीअ में जज़्ब थिया. मां काश मिटीअ जे लाइक़ हुजां, मां काश मिटीअ जे लाइक़ थियां. ही तुहिफ़ो साह सां साढियां, साढियां. पंहिंजो नाज़ुक हथड़ो लोॾे तो त चयो हो, तो त चयो हो, हाणे वञूं था, हाणे वञूं था. तूं पंहिंजा पर इत्म जा घोड़ा केर उगे तू पंहिंजा नेण उगी वे पर इत्म जा घोड़ा केर उगे आकेर हिते दिलदारे जे ऐसा थी तो खां विछड़ी मां के साण खिला के साण हला बस याद सहारे जींदुस पियो बस याद सहारे जींदुस पियो उम्मीद थम तू मोटी दे वापस दे वापस दे वापस दे वापस दे
पंहिंजो नाज़ुक हथड़ो ॾे तो त चयो हो हाण हलूं था. You said that we are being departed, but after being departed, you realize that you are unable to live your life without me. We were listening to the voice of Manzoor Sakhrani, and as I told you, this was a free verse. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show, and this is program number 26 of the season number 1 of the same. Heading towards the lyrics written by the greatest poet of this land, Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai again, which are sung by Bhagwanti Nawani. And Bhagwanti Nawani was one of the versatile singers, especially the folk style of singing. And she was one of those individuals who left Sindh after partition. She was born in Hyderabad and then she left after the partition and she performed in Sindhi in India, and she was departed during 80s. We celebrated her birthday, her birth anniversary a few weeks back, and right now she is singing one of the popular melodies written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, in which Sasui, one of the courageous characters of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, is singing that I would ask my Punhal, my Punhu, my Hoth to stay a night at Bhambur, at my hometown. Let's listen to this melody by Bhagwanti Nawani.
करे विया ओ होश लजीवे ओ पेरे पांदी शान चांदी शान पेरे पांदी शान अल्लाह चांदी शान रही वन रात बंबोर में अल्लाह रही वन रात बंबोर में पेरे पांदी मां चांदी बागो वठंदी शान अल्लाह चवंदी शान रही वञो रात बंबोर में अल्लाह रही वञो रात बंबोर में क्या पुनः जा फेर पंजो वेरी सिज थो जे उलही कई अवेर वेरी खबर थो जे सवान कया सेर सतो वेरी चंड थो जो फिरियो न वडी अवेर वाहेरी जीवेर आज मटलू करया छपरे ओ चल जीवे चढ़ी का जावल चोट दे चढ़ी का जावल चोट दे दिगल चोट दे नर चोट दे मायर चोट दे तेजू चोट दे चढ़ी का जावल चोट दे ओ सजड़ा कंदी शान चांदी शान सजड़ा कंदी शान चांदी शान रही वन रात बंबोर में अल्लाह रही वन रात बंबोर में तेरे पवंदी मां चवंदी
All right, listeners, Bhagwanti Navani was singing this beautiful and most famous, one of the most famous melodies written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, which explains the pain of the Saswi, the most courageous character of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, which sighed, Pere Pavandi San, Chavandi San, Rahivan Rat Bhambora mein. I'll ask them to be with me at Bhambor, to live for a single night, and then I'll ask them to be with me for the rest of my life. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London, This is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show consisting of English conversation but talking about Sindh and Indus Valley civilization and including Sindhi songs to make them understand, especially those who are unable to understand about the culture and art and cuisine and people of Sindh, the anthros of Sindh, to make them understand about the culture, about the things related with this land. This is Rajab Ali singing this tremendous song saying, "Oh my beloved, please be with me, please meet me, please see me. I'll be grateful to you." Let's listen to this melody. Here we go.
मोहम्मद ते रहम जी निगाह बिल्कुल बेगुनाह बारिश हो मस्कीन के मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी हसी दल में तुझो मच रहे खाने मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी हसी दल में तुझो मच रहे खाने मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मेहरबानी हसी दल में तुझो मचना है ताने मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी हमेशा मईशल जवानी तुझी मेहरबानी हसीनल में तुझो हसीनल में तुझो मचना है सानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी सिवा तुझे भाया जहर जिंदगानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी हसीनल में तुझो मचना है सानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी लिसी तो लाया ही ये ताहिरानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी हसीनल में तुझो मचना है सानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी मिल यार जानी तुझी मेहरबानी
All right, listeners, all right, folks, this was Rajab Ali singing this beautiful melody. Rajab Ali belongs to Gwalior Gharana, the Gwalior School of Thought, and he is the brother of Ustad Waheed Ali, nowadays living at London, and he is a tremendous singer of not only Kafi Kalam style of singing, but also the filmy playback. He sang for Urdu films, even with Malka Tarannum Noor Jahan. So he can be called and considered, and he is one of the successful singers of this land. These are two young voices from Sindh, but right now living in India. I mean, they were born in India, but offspring of Sindhis, Jatin Udasi and the female voice Manjushri Asudasani. And they are singing a mashup of the songs sung by Master Chandar. This is a medley of Master Chandar's songs sung in modern style on the modern instruments by Jatin Udasi and Manjushri Asudasani. Let's listen to this beautiful and tremendous presentation. I hope that you would love to listen to this presentation by the youth of Sindh. Here we go.
सिकाए संगत जो यार सगो हो कॾहिं माथो छिक्या कॾहिं हू थो छिके तजुआ गाडो चंदिर कॾहिं मां थो धिक्यां कॾहिं हू थो धिके
रुठा ही रहन पर हुजन हयाती रुठा ही रहन पर हुजन हयाती हुजन हयाती सुहना हुजन हयाती भली प्या विढ़न पर हुजन हयाती ओ मुझा सुहना ओ मुझा ढोलिया ओ मुझा जानी
ओ मुझा सुहना ओ मुझा ढोलिया ओ मुझा जानी
तुंहिंजे इश्क सजण मजबूर कयो मूंखे पंहिंजे वतन खां दूर कयो
तुंहिंजे इश्क सजण मजबूर कयो मूंखे पंहिंजे वतन खां दूर कयो
मां की न छॾियां हां पंहिंजो वतन पर न्यापन साण घुरायो तो तुंहिंजे शहर में आयुसि क़िस्मत सां पर सुहिणा की न रहायो तो
तुंहिंजे शहर में तुंहिंजे देश में तुंहिंजे मुल्क में हो तुंहिंजे शहर में आयुसि क़िस्मत सां पर सुहिणा की न रहायो तो
सिंध जा घड़ा तू सिंधड़ीअ में ॼाए
मौज मचाई पो हिंद में बुआई
सिंध जा घड़ा तू सिंधड़ीअ में ॼाए
मौज मचाई पो हिंद में बुआई
अॼुकल्ह तो के हर को तो चाहे
चाहन तो खे फिल्मुनि वारा
चाहन तो के सिनेमा वारा
चाहन तो खे फिल्मुनि वारा
वार गड़ा तुंहिंजा अजब नज़ारा वार गड़ा तुंहिंजा भाग भलारा
वाह वाहड़े घड़ा वॾ वॾड़े घड़ा वाह वाहड़े घड़ा वॾ वॾड़े घड़ा घड़ा उघायल मिटीअ जठायल सुरत वॾनि तुम सारा तोखे वॼाइन प्यार सां ॻाइन आशिक मोहे बनवारा साण करे अकतारा साण करे अकतारा
वार गड़ा
हो वाह वाहड़े घड़ा तुंहिंजा भाग भलारा
हो वार गड़ा तुंहिंजा अजब नजारा वाह वाह रे घड़ा
वॾ वॾड़े घड़ा
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 ओ वारे चंदर तुंहिंजा अजब नजारा
दिल चंद्र चंद्र पई करे
This was a modern style of presentation of Sindhi music and especially the songs sung by Master Chandar, one of the popular voices of Sindh from Tharu Shah, who also left Sindh after the partition. And this mashup was sung by Jatan Udasi and Manjushri Asudasani in modern style on modern musical instruments. I hope you liked this piece of music. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show of Radio Voice of Sindh London, being aired every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, and this is edition number 26 of the season 1 of Indus Melodies. I'm finding my cherished one, my dear one, my beloved, my sweetheart, and the spring is looking for me. I'm looking for my beloved and the spring is looking for me. This is not said by me, but this is sung by Humaira Channa. The forthcoming song which we have selected from the Sindhi movie Ma Piriyan Ke Golyan, which means I am looking for my beloved. This is the title song of this movie, and this is presented to you for your listening pleasure in Indus Melodies. Here we go. मां पिरियं खे ॻोल्हियां मूंखे ॻोल्हे पई बहार. This was Humaira Channa singing this tremendous song. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies being aired from Radio Voice of Sindh London. As I told you that this is the second last day of February, so in this way we are airing the most last show of February, and now we would be meeting you in March. The 2nd of March would be our first show. Suraj Shakhun Kadhiyon 10 in the morning on Tuesday. But right now I'm taking you for the third time in today's show towards the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, sung by Out of Love, Out of Extreme Love, sung by Allan Faqir, because whenever he used to sing the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, that sounded like a lover, a devotee of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is singing his poetry out of extreme love, cordially, most cordially. So let's listen to the poetry of Latif sung by one of his devotees, one of his lovers, Allan Faqir. Here we go.
आधी अब्दुल लतीफ चे आधी अब्दुल लतीफ चे अल्लाह उहले का तड़ियूं या अल्लाह उहले का तड़ियूं या अल्लाह माल अल्लाह माल मुरादूं तेरे अनसी आयल में गालरूं या अल्लाह आयल में गालरूं या अल्लाह माल ओ माल अल्लाह माल मुरादूं तेरी अनसी आयल में गालरूं या अल्लाह
All right, listeners, all right, folks, you are listening to the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai by Allan Faqir, and you are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London's show. This is Indus Melodies being presented by Radio Voice of Sindh London, and every Saturday you listen to this show at 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. In yesterday's show also, we mentioned about a loss of Sindhi literature and culture and art. But today also, let me repeat that Professor Dr. Satish Rohda, one of the eminent poets, critics, linguists, short story writers and intellectuals, who was born in Dadu, which was called the heart of Sindh by Ustad Bukhari, but left us at Adipur Kutch because he migrated from Sindh after the partition and then he was shifted to Kutch. He was a PhD in linguistics from Pune University and then he taught linguistics and other subjects at India. So he left us on February 24th. Let's pray that may his soul rest in peace. Amin. This is a song from Sindhi movie, one of the Sindhi movies titled Dushman, sung by Akhlaq Ahmad. Let's listen.
नफरत आए नैन में क्यास को मन में नाहे क्यास को मन में नाहे रत मानू जो मानू पिए ओ मात रूठी खाए लालच में ललकार थी दुश्मनी हारे थी दुश्मनी हारे थी दुश्मनी हारे थी ओ ही दुनिया ही दुनिया कह खड़ी आकाश उतारे कह कह के बूढ़े मंझ पाता, कह के बूढ़े मंझ पाता। अजब दुनिया जो ही चरखो को न कहीं आधा, रहम न दिल में धारे थी, दुश्मनी धारे थी, दुश्मनी धारे थी, दुश्मनी धारे थी। हो ही दुनिया इंसानन के मारे थी, दुश्मनी धारे थी, दुश्मनी धारे थी, दुश्मनी धारे थी। हो ही दुनिया ही दुनिया।
This world is only cherishing, encouraging enmities. This was the meaning of these lyrics sung by Akhlaq Ahmed and chorus in film Dushman, one of the Sindhi movies, one of the popular Sindhi movies. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show, the weekly English radio show aired by Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is the promise to keep the lights on, to keep the light of wisdom and knowledge and love on. And this is sung by Gigi Abda Praveen, being presented to you for your listening pleasure in Indus Melodies. If you're driving, drive carefully and listen to this song. Here we go.
कॾहिं किरजे कात थी कॾहिं थीजे कंध कॾहिं डाक ॾियात जी कॾहिं थीजे तंदू सिंधुड़ीअ जो सोगंध सिंधुड़ीअ जो सोगंध साहु ॾींदासीं सॾते कॾहिं किरंदो असांजा वर्ण आहिनि भाग असांजा ओ वर्ण आहिनि दिया रोशन वो रखना आहिनि हो दिया रोशन रखना आहिनि आदेसी अॼु बचना आहिनि आदेसी अॼु हो अचणा आहिनि दिया रोशन हो रखणा आहिनि हो दिया रोशन रखणा आहिनि टक्कर आखिर करना आहिनि टक्कर आखिर ओ टरना आहिनि दिया रोशन वो रखना आहिनि हो दिया रोशन रखना आहिनि आदेसी अॼु अचणा आहिनि आदेसी अॼु हो अचणा आहिनि लिखियल मरणा परना हिन लिखियल मरणा ओ परना हिन दिया रोशन वो रखना हिन ओ दिया रोशन रखना हिन आदेसी अज अचना हिन आदेसी अज ओ अचना हिन दिया रोशन वो रखना हिन ओ दिया रोशन रखना हिन ओ ला
This was Abida Praveen singing Diya Roshan Rakhna Ahin. We have to light, we have to keep the torches on to enlighten the ways for the next generations with the light of knowledge, with the light of enlightenment, with the light of love, with the light of sincerity and cooperation. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Indus Melodies, and these are the melodies of Indus. These are the adorable melodies of Indus. One of these melodies, one of these voices is the voice of Hafiz Shah. By saying voice, I mean the poetic voice. Hafiz Shah belonged to Trikhar, Sindh, which is near Hyderabad, and Hafiz Shah owned his own style of, his own accent of presentation of poetry. This is the poetry of Hafiz Shah sung by Shafi Faqir, who says that I looked up, I got his vision, but nobody knew, the world was unknown, and this was some charisma which was awarded to me by my creator, that I got the companionship, the partnership, the time to spend with my cherished one. Let's listen to this mystic word by Hafiz Shah sung by Shafi Faqir. Here we go.
सोहना सुपरी कोड़े यूसुफ के तेरा उभा करनाइन अहड़ाई आहीन सादिक मुहिजा सुपरी अजलियो पायल काए अजलियो पायल काए सारे लोग खा सजे लोग खा सारे लोग खा दिल भर बिछम अजलियो पायल काए अजलियो पायल काए सारे लोग खा दिल भर बिछम जो जंजीर जालिम कदला कड़े तैयार जुल्फा जो जंजीर जालिम कदला कड़े तैयार वरदई थे बारी वासिगवा गुरा पेचदार मुझे मारण कान कहरे मुझे मारण कान कहरे साईं वह भरो अल्लाह वह भरो किसी हर बिछम अजलियो लब दंडान गोहर लाल लब दंदान गोहर जेबदारी सरनिगार तौकताऊ सी कबक रफ्तार में तोते तवार सूह जो सालार सोहनो सूह जो सालार सोहनो साईं माहिरो मुनव्वर विचम अजलियो पाए लिकाए अजलियो पाए लिकाए सारे लोग खां सजे लोग खां दिल भर विचम अजलियो पाए दुश्मन सा तने मबदनी नी दबद मबदनी सानी दबद मपगा मरे सा तुस्ता दुश्मन सा तुस्ता दुश्मन सा चिटाई चुस्ता दुश्मन सा चिटाई चुस्ता दुश्मन सा चिटाई तीर मुलगा मच अंदर होश हाफिज शाह जो झटपट नहीं आए सा नजर दिल रुबा चुरुख नमूद शुद्ध नमाज मन कदा दिल रुबा चुरुख नमूद शुद्ध नमाज मन कदा आफताबे चूं बरारत आफताबे चूं बरारत सजदा गर्द चूं चुस्ता चश्मन सा चिटाई तीर मुलगा मच अंदर होश हाफिज शाह जो झटपट नहीं आए सा नजर साण अहड़ी पल परी साण अहड़ी पल परी पैकर न जोरा वर्ग छम अजलियो पाए लिकाए अजलियो पाए लिकाए सारे लोग का सजे लोग का सोना लोग का दिल भर छम अजलियो पाए लिकाए सब तरह सिंगारियल सब तरह सिंगारियल सर से बसा जाहिर चम अजलियो पाए लिकाए सारे लोग खा दिल भर चम अजलियो
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
Ajliyo paaye likaye dil andar dilbar ritum. These were the lyrics written by Hafiz Shah, sung by Shafi Faqir, which we aired right now in Indus Melodies, which is being aired from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is Nahid Akhtar singing this melody, and this melody says, I have been in love with you and now I am waiting for you. I mean waiting for your response towards the word of what I have confessed. I have confessed to be in love with you and now I am waiting for your word of the same sentiment towards me. This is Nahid Akhtar. Let's listen to this beautiful melody by Nahid Akhtar. Here we go.
थी जो प्यार तू जो हाणे इंतजार तो जाने थी जो प्यार तू जो हाणे इंतजार तुझे दिल जो कयो मुझे दीदार तो जाने थी जो प्यार तू जो हाणे इंतजार जाने कर ऐतबार तू तो लड़दा हुआ लड़दा हुआ सोहणा सोना रहबो करे ही करार तो साणे थी वियो प्यार तू जो हाणे इंतजार तो साणे थी वियो प्यार तू जो हाणे इंतजार तुझे दिल जो कयो दिलदार तो साणे थी वियो प्यार तू जो हाणे इंतजार
All right, listeners, all right, spectators, all right, folks, respectable, honorable folks. This was our today's show, Indus Melodies, which is near to be ended, near to be wrapped up, and this is the time to say you goodbye. I'm going to conclude today's show, to end up today's show with the beautiful melody sung by Sayyid Suleiman Shah, and the lyrics are written by one of the locally popular lyricists as well as singers, Master Chandar, whose mashup, whose medley we included a while before in today's show. So these are the lyrics written by Master Chandra, and originally this was sung by Master Chandra, but right now this is performed by Suleiman Shah, and may Almighty Allah rest the souls of these both in the heavens. This says, Suna Panje Akyun ke Jhaltum, please stop your sight which is attacking me and which is compelling me to be theirs, to be yours, to dedicate myself on those sights, on the beholder of those sights, and I don't want to be. These are the lyrics which we would be including at last. If you want to extend your feedback, please do so. And if you don't want to extend your feedback, even then you are requested to do so. My email address is djyasirkazi@yahoo.com, djyasirkazi@yahoo.com, or fmwyq946@gmail.com, fmwyq946@gmail.com, or info@radiovoiceofsin.com, info@radiovoiceofsin.com. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @RJ Yasir Kazi, @RJYSIRQAZI. If you want to follow us on Facebook, our Facebook is facebook.com/Radio Voice of Sindh, or facebook.com/DJ Yasir Kazi, DJYSIRQAZI. If you want to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, that is with the name of Yasir Kazi, YSIRQAZI, or youtube.com/FMWQY. Please don't forget to trick on the bell icon for the reception of continuous updates regarding our videos, the videos we upload, and regarding our live broadcasts. I'm grateful to Sarve Chudho, the program coordinator, who coordinates for every of our transmission, every of the program, and Mr. Imdad Udho, the transmission in charge, and the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Radio Voice of Sindh, London, for their continuous cooperation. As I shared a while before that we would be meeting inshallah after the gap of 2 days, which would be 2nd of March. That would be Tuesday, 10 a.m. in the morning in Suraj Shakhun Kadiyo, my disc jockey breakfast morning show. Till then, your host, your companion Yasir Kazi is signing off from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, saying you aloha, take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, tata and bye-bye, over and out, Allah Nigaban.
अक्यूं बड़े अक्यूं के तकारूं के तभूरियूं सही तकिन में कजल थोरो के त मिसल कटोरियूं मुखे मारियो उन नखन जेके वतन खुमारियूं मुझे दिल के चयो है दिल परेशान आहीं दिल रोई मूंखे चयो त मां इन करे परेशान आहियां जे अहिड़ी जॻह ते तो मूंखे अटकायो आहे उहे अखियूं अहिड़ियूं आहिनि जे मूं मुंहिंजे ॾिसनि थियूं तीम ते तीरनि जी पी बरसात वसे ऐं दिल इन अखियुनि खे चओ तोखे तीर न हाणे दिल रोए थी अखियुनि खे चए छा चए थी ओ सुना पंहिंजे पर अॼुकल्ह वारनि बि घटिताई दुनिया में कोन कई आहे का ख़बर न आहे ओ तुंहिंजा कारा वार सताइनि था कीअं वासी कनि खां कपाइनि था इहो ढंग सही कोन सघिबो इहो ढंग सही कोन सघिबो दुनिया में रही कोन सघिबो इहा हुजत हाणे हल सुना पंहिंजे झेड़ो छा जो साईं एडी झेड़ो कोन है अव्हांखे ख़बर आहे त वारनि अखियुनि ऐं दिलि पाण में झेड़ो करे वेठो दिलि छा चए थी ओ ये दिल नादन साणी पालियत नादन सूरत साणी निपायत मुझे दिल दी तोखे भारत
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पांजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मान वारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शौरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़िन ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिकु नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।